Is your Westinghouse TV remote not working? Don't worry, the first steps are simple and can resolve remote issues about 50% of the time, according to experts. Step 1. Replace the batteries with fresh ones, ensuring they're correctly installed. Weak or dead batteries are the most common cause of remote control problems. Step 2. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's infrared sensor. Clean both sensors with a soft, dry cloth to remove any obstructions. Step 3. Try a remote reset. Remove the batteries, press every button once to discharge residual power, then reinstall the batteries. Step 4. Power cycle the TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. If you have a Roku TV, consider using the Roku mobile app as an alternative. The app can control your TV just like a physical remote. These basic troubleshooting steps can resolve remote issues about 50% of the time. If these don't work, you may need more advanced solutions. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve your remote issues, we need to explore advanced solutions. Smart TVs often require remote pairing to establish a proper connection. Electronic interference can disrupt your remote's infrared signal. Fluorescent lights, wireless devices, and other electronics can create electromagnetic interference that blocks communication between your remote and TV. Universal remotes offer a reliable alternative when your original remote fails. Programming requires specific codes for your Westinghouse TV model. Common codes include 0915, 00113, and 0002. HDMI CEC, or consumer electronics control, can sometimes interfere with your remote's power button. This feature allows connected devices to control each other, but may disable certain remote functions. If these advanced solutions don't resolve your remote issues, contact Westinghouse customer support for assistance, or consider purchasing a replacement remote. Universal remotes are widely available and often more reliable than original equipment.